in their own way, right? So I chose a way in terms of fashion influencing. I started making reels and everything. Then I met some new people, connecting with them. I got to know about the pageant, about the UMP pageant via people. And then I tried कि ठीक है अब मॉडलिंग भी प्रॉपर तरीके से करते हैं, नॉट लाइक जस्ट इन्फ्लुएंसिंग. आई वांटेड टू एंटर इनटू द रियल वर्ल्ड. इनिशियली सबसे पहले मैंने ऐसे किया. एंड देन आई मेड माई ओन बायो, माई ओन portfolio sort of thing, right? And then I started sending it towards many agencies or many brands. Okay, chalo, let's do collaboration. It will be free. Initially, I did for free. Somebody says something to me, I say okay. I say okay to them. I never reply to them like that. I say okay, and I'm like okay. Let me work more harder in my own field. Let me work. Let me get more collabs. उनका मुंह अपने आप बंद होना चाहिए. लोगों का मुंह अपने आप बंद होना चाहिए. I should, you cannot reply to anybody. You just need to work more harder just to give a reply to them. Okay, you are just talking, I'm just working.
कि आप मेरे लिए ऐसे if you want to present yourself as a role model to me, तो आप क्या चाहते कि मैं आपसे क्या आपकी क्वालिटीज लूँ, आपसे किस तरह से मैं आपसे इंस्पायर हूँ. दिस क्वेश्चन आई आस्क्ड टू माय मॉम. She said कि हाँ definitely. One thing that she said to me clearly was,
I didn't know कि मैं select होंगी because there was a question answer round as well, and I was not much good into answering. I mean, I'm doing, I wasn't good that time. Okay, and then it was all of a sudden they asked me 3 questions. I don't know what I replied, but I just did whatever came to my mind that time. And then one good day in the morning, I got a call. Okay, you have been selected. Let me just, inhale the fact that I have been selected. And then
welcome Manisha ma'am, welcome to Kya Hal Chal podcast. And yes, what's your hal chal?
first of all, thank you so much for having me here. It's really a great honor for me to be on this Kya Hal Chal platform. And Hal Chal is really good. I'm doing good. बढ़िया है, सब कुछ बढ़िया है.
That's great. And yes, this would be a very new conversation for me today because I'm like very much new to fashion industry and about discussing the same because इससे पहले कभी ये डिस्कशन का मुझे मौका नहीं मिला. सो आज मेरे लिए भी एक बहुत ही बहुत चीज़ें सीखने को मिलेंगी मुझे, एंड आई एम श्योर हमारे लिसनर्स को भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलेंगी. सो यस, एंड वीड लाइक टू थैंक आवर गिफ्टिंग पार्टनर्स Bazuki Perfumes. They smell good, they feel good, and they look good. So yes, I'll definitely suggest all of you to give it a try once. It's really amazing. So with that, the first thing that I wanted to ask you, ma'am, when I was thinking of this conversation was the field that you have chosen. It's a field which is very competitive and also very creative. And choosing this field, it must have been like कहीं ना कहीं तो एक वैसा होगा कि एक वो लगा होगा कि इट माइट बी अ बिट रिस्की डिस्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग दैट लाइक कि हाँ आई हैव दैट पैशन, बट कहीं ना कहीं इन सच क्रिएटिव फील्ड्स आपको एक डर, लाइक व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड पॉडकास्टिंग आई वाज कि हाँ पैशनेट हूँ, बट कहीं ना कहीं डर है कि व्हाट इफ इट फेल्स. सो आई वांट टू नो अबाउट दैट. आई वांट टू स्टार्ट अप फ्रॉम दैट एंड आई वांट टू फ्रॉम दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन में ये सीखना चाहता हूँ, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि आपका प्रोफेशनली हाउ यू हैव ग्रोन, क्या ऑब्स्टिकल्स हैं, एंड हाउ यू ओवरकेम इट, एंड हाउ समवन हु इज एस्पायरिंग टू बी अ सक्सेसफुल फैशन model and designer like you, what they can do in order to grow in this industry. So the first thing is कि आपको इस फील्ड की इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिली, एंड डिड यू फेस एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट्स कि एकदम इनिशियल स्टेज पे जब आपने सोचा कि हाँ दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई वांट टू गो फॉर?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अपूर्व, आई वुड लाइक टू से कि कोई भी फील्ड आप ले लो, कुछ भी आप चूज करोगे अपनी लाइफ में, ऑब्वियसली आपको बहुत सारे ऑब्स्टिकल्स आएंगे ही आएंगे, उसको आपको फेस करना ही पड़ेगा नो मैटर व्हाट. और आपको हर जगह कंपटीशन है. नो, इट्स नॉट अबाउट ओनली द फैशन थिंग. being a host is also like a competitive job nowadays,
Exactly.
right?
Exactly.
So social media में भी सब हर चीज एक competition तो है हर चीज में, तो there is no doubt कि एक specific field में ही आपको competition मिलेगा. It's not like that. And for me, it's like I always wanted to be into fashion. Since childhood, I have planned my thing कि मुझे fashion line में ही जाना है no matter what. So the best thing for me at that time, like we are old people now, like in terms of we are not new generation nowadays. It's very easy. You know, parents are also very okay with it. Okay, you want to be a model, you go for it. Nowadays, it's okay to for the kids. But for my time, like when I said to my parents that I want to be a model, do you understand the parents? Our parents, they are like modeling क्यों करनी है? It was not that, you know, they were not very acceptable towards this field. So same with me happened. So I wanted to be a model, but I was like, कि parents को convince करना would be a task. So I chose the path similar to the way I had my so much interest in outfits, looking good, wearing good कपड़े में होने चाहिए, मतलब पूरी collection होनी चाहिए that time. So I chose the world into fashion in terms of fashion designing. I did my fashion designing. I did good. I worked with the good, you know, export house. I worked with Zara, Barishka, in kids department. I worked design for them,
Oh, wow.
and it was going good. I was super satisfied with whatever I'm doing. And then my parents were also happy with my work because I am into my own, you know, chosen word first of all, and it is good to be a fashion designer nowadays. It's like good to be a model as well, right? Okay, so it was all good. Then I got married, and now when my kid is already 5, he was settled enough. So I thought to do something for myself, and obviously my passion, which was in my mind since childhood, I thought why not to give a try into this. And nowadays, influencing is a top-notch thing, right? Every person wants to be an influencer, and they are doing really good in their own way, right? So I chose a way in terms of fashion influencing. I started making reels and everything. Then I met some new people, you know, connecting with them. I got to know about the pageant, about the UMP pageant via people. एंड देन आई ट्राइड कि ठीक है अब मॉडलिंग में एक प्रॉपर तरीके से करते हैं, नॉट लाइक जस्ट इन्फ्लुएंसिंग. आई वांटेड टू एंटर इनटू द रियल वर्ल्ड ओनली आई कुड एंटर with some good pageantry where I can, you know, showcase myself. My name has to be pop out in that way. So I did that. I just entered into the world of modeling via becoming a part of UMB pageants, which I went for Mrs. India. So I obviously I had the thing in my mind, what if I fail? What if I fail? What will happen? But then if you have a supporting family and if you are like, ठीक है जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा, let's just give it a try. And that's what I wanted to tell all the people, like no matter at what age you are, just give a try to your dream. Just persist, you know, take a step forward towards your dream. If nothing will happen, something will always happen. If it's not, the thing which are happening were not planned, but the thing which are happening will be good for you. You understand? Whatever is written to happen, it will happen. So that's the only mantra is of my life. I just think if some thought, if some particular thought is coming towards my mind, it is an indication for me towards my future. I need to take a step forward towards it. No matter, देखी जाएगी जो भी होगा आगे. Let's just try. Let's just enter the world. Let's just explore how it is. So that's how it happened. And obstacle तो ठीक है. Tackle करना is a trick. That's all.
Wow. And I can say one thing from this is that you, like your family was very supportive of you when you took this
Yes, very
decision.
much.
And it would be right for me to say कि family का support किसी के लिए भी सबसे ज़्यादा important चीज़ है in today's day and age for whatever they are doing.
I feel, see, you know what? At the end, you only have to work. But if you get a plus support towards your family, then it will be a plus point, obviously. Then, you know, if you're working late night and you're thinking, oh my God, my family, oh my God, my family, you will not be able to concentrate about your work. If your family support you, you're sorted. Oh, what if I'm working late? They'll manage, they'll do things. And that's support is what, if you're not available, they're managing things on their own, and that's what the support is actually, you know. So if you get that thing, so it's plus thing. You'll be able to achieve your dreams even faster way, or even in a more positive way. That's how it is. Support is obviously very important. You will not get any negative, thought towards your work. If your family is not supporting, then obviously you are going to think about other people also. If your family can be supportive, rest all the entire world will be supportive to you.
Wow. And wow, that's a very good start, I'll say. And yes, so one thing also that I want to ask you is ki creativity has a lot to do with your home, your like your or the place from where you actually are. Like, if I'm not wrong, you are from Haryana, and
Yes.
I want to know those roots that you are having from your home. I want to know ki did Haryana help you develop that creative sense or the sense of fashion? And उसका हरियाणा का आपके करियर में कैसा रोल था? I want to know about that.
Okay. So frankly speaking about particular state, I mean every state is supportive towards your, if you are achieving something. They are obviously, every state, not particularly Haryana, every state is supportive towards the people के जो आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं उनको और ज़्यादा promote करे. When I got this Mrs. India runner-up title, I got really good response from people. People came to congratulate me. Media coverage did very well. So yeah, they're supportive. It's like every city, every state is supportive towards their people.
But like what I'm like trying to know over here is कि all states are supportive, but अपने घर से एक कहानी होती है ना कि like यहाँ से आपने start किया. So there is some kind of like, let's say if I started podcasting from Ahmedabad, and from Ahmedabad I learned a lot of things about, let's say, about business. Firstly, I learned a lot of things about, and podcasting में कहीं ना कहीं उसने मुझे help किया when I'm talking with business individuals, with others, and so with many other fields. इसने कहीं ना कहीं मुझे socially बहुत सारे opportunities दी, कहीं ना कहीं वो personality मेरी develop की. So in that sense, did your home place help you?
So frankly speaking, I lived in Haryana only till 12th.
Okay.
After that, I never lived there particularly.
Okay.
So when after this 12th, I moved to Delhi. I lived in Delhi for 3 years first during my fashion designing thing, and then I lived in Noida for next 6 years when I was working. Then I got married and shifted to Ahmedabad. It's been 12 years now. I'm here in Ahmedabad.
Oh wow.
So yeah, I mean till 12th I was only in Haryana. After that I was always out.
Okay. So
Yeah.
okay, and wow. Now also do you think आपको in the initial stage when you started your journey, what were the things that you were expecting कि हाँ, like when you were stepping in the fashion industry, आपके कुछ तो expectations होंगे from the industry कि हाँ ऐसा ऐसा होगा, the things would be like this, but when you actually went over there, it turned out to be a totally different reality. ऐसा कुछ आपके साथ हुआ?
Yeah, so when I started my designing career, I always wanted to be, even now also I want to, open my own store, show my actual creativity to the people around us. That is something which is still in my mind. I never did it. I haven't done it till now, but yes, that was the thing when I started doing fashion designing. I wanted to do that, but then obviously life has planned you some other way around, right? So I started working on the very last day of my college. I got the opportunity to work as a teacher in my college itself, as a
Oh
professor.
wow. Oh wow.
Right. So, but my age criteria didn't match to the requirement because I was too young. Obviously, I was just passed out, right? So I was, my age criteria restricted the thing. They said the students are going to be bigger than your age. It will be little difficult. So, and on that day only, I had my second interview. I got another opportunity on the last, during, my examinations days. So there were two interviews of mine on the very last day. One is from the college only, and one is from the export house where I worked for 6 years. So 5th of May was the interview, and I don't remember the exact year. And 7th of May was the first day of my joining. I didn't even get time to give a thought to it. Like I just passed out on 5th of May. 4th of May I passed out. 5th of May I gave the interview. 7th of May was the first day of my working, and that's all.
Oh wow! So
And I got my salary, first salary on 7th of June. 7th of May to 7th of June. And 7th of June is my birthday. So I got my first salary on my birthday only. So that was the best beginning of my career ever.
wow. The story is so, it feels like a, you know, like a proper jigsaw puzzle, which
Yeah.
is going like, it is going sequentially, but there are a lot of other things and kind of random things that are also happening and is contributing in a very big way to this.
Yeah.
So, and I'm liking it. I'm liking this thing. And okay. Also, now before moving on, I guess, I want to tell everyone that we'll be doing like our previous episodes. We'll be doing this small exercise during our conversation. That is, that we are having these two notebooks. One is with me and one is with Manisha ma'am. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be during our conversation we'll be writing down a few pointers about each other. Like if I'm having this conversation with Manisha ma'am, I'll be writing down that what I think of her, like what she is like, what is her personality and all that stuff. And so the same Manisha ma'am will be doing, and in the end we'll be going through it. It is a small exercise that helps us connect much better, and it also helps us know each other's halchal in a much more better way. So yes, and I hope you guys like it. So yes, stay tuned for that. So moving on, now ma'am, you said that you are also into fashion designing, and then you shifted yourself from fashion designing to fashion modeling.
Modeling, yeah.
So how was that transition like? Was there any sort of like major change that came, or was it very simple? It just like happened, or is it like what's the story behind that? I want to know.
So there's some personal things also. I don't know whether I should share it or not. It's like
It's totally up to you.
so I had a really dark phase of my life, like 5 to 6 years. I had really dark phase, and when I really we were like out of the thing. So when my son happened to me, after that I thought the things are settled enough and we are sorted, and he's also getting growing, and he's getting into his own activities. He's things are better. So I that was I during my bad time I learned Reiki. So the Reiki taught me a lot in terms of healing myself from inside, and also telling me whatever it is today. You need to, whatever it is, just live it. Just live it. So that is something which just taught me to do whatever you want. Never think about anything else. Just do it. So I started like मुझे करना तो था ही हमेशा से ही करना था. तो I just give it a try कि ठीक है करते हैं देखे जाएंगे, and करते 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 I am here.
Wow.
And step by step you grow, step by step it happens. So it's all like that.
Okay, and if you had to share some learnings with me about fashion designing, let's say I'm an aspiring designer who comes to you asking कि Manisha ma'am, I want to get into this field, and ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिसके बारे में मुझे like if you have to give me some advice, या कुछ ऐसी चीज़ कुछ ऐसी सीख जो आप अपने करियर से मुझे देना चाहो, जिसके बारे में मुझे ध्यान रखना चाहिए as a person who is just getting into the industry, let's say as a 20-year-old who is just getting into college. So what would you suggest to me, or what would be that one advice that you would like to give to
Not
me?
particularly about the fashion designing. I'm just say to you or to entire people who are watching. It's just always do whatever comes to your mind. Just live the moment. Just enjoy the things, whatever is happening. If you are doing something, do it with the full passion, full dedication, no matter which career you are choosing, no matter what you are doing. Whatever is your career, just give 100% to it. Just live it. You know, एक कहते हैं ना अपने काम को जी लो. बस कुछ भी काम करो उसको पूरी तरीके से डेडिकेशन से जियोगे तो फिर सारा काम इजीली हो ही जाएगा. And you will never face any problems towards that. And that is the only thing. आप बस उसको पूरा डेडिकेशन के साथ just give your 100% towards your stuff.
Wow. Oh, that's a strong message. And I guess it's not just applicable to fashion designing.
Yeah,
it's applicable
for anything. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. So, and also now, if you are like now, since we are talking about this only, one more question that I have for you is that if from this carrying on the same thing, कि as a 20-year-old student, I'm getting into college. अगर आपको मुझे as a fashion designer, like if you see, I say कि I want to be a fashion designer, आप मुझसे कुछ expectation, like let's say कुछ expectation आपकी होगी कि ये skills इसमें होगा या ये sort of thinking या mindset इसका होगा कि हाँ as a designer आपके अंदर ऐसा judgment होना चाहिए. For example, I am assuming कि like आपका colors के related sense या creative space में आपका sense बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए if you are designing something or something like that. Because again I'm very much new to this, as I said before the conversation also, कि मेरे लिए भी एक बहुत ही नया space है which I am exploring. So if any of the skills that you would be expecting from someone who is new to this industry, what would it be?
Just their fashion sense has to be good.
Okay, just fashion.
That's the basic thing. That's the only thing.
Okay.
That's the only thing. Or otherwise, every technical thing to college will always tell you. I'm sorry. Right? When I started my fashion designing, it's only before that I used to make clothes for my doll.
Oh wow!
That's the only thing I do, and that's the only thing I knew. Whatever was the leftover fabric, I used to make clothes for my dolls and everything. And then, when you start getting into it, you get to learn many things from your teachers, from your seniors. And gradually it comes. You need to enter the entire world, what is actually the style is, what is the fashion is, what is going to be the fashion, right? So it's all the information you get to know, and that's how it is.
Wow.
You need to have the basic, you need to have actually the mindset कि हाँ मुझे इसमें ये वाली line मुझे इसमें जाना है, and that's all.
So determination is something.
Determination is the only key. Actually, the quote is very much true. The determination is the only key.
Because like it is something, it's a nuance that I am having because of the perception of others that I have gotten. There is कि in fashion designing बहुत ऐसा होता है कि आप बहुत सारे designs बनाते हैं and there are a lot of chances that designers a lot of times reject it and they're like कि बहुत आपको tries करने पड़ते हैं, कभी खुद को
बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Actually, you make 100 sample and then only 10 get selected. मतलब I तो worked in an export house, so it was the bigger way.
Okay.
Bigger way. Then we used to make a particular theme, 100 of the pieces, and then only you get orders on 10 pieces. And then that order are bulk orders. So they earn, the exporters earn that.
Okay.
And that's how usually it happens. It's nothing to like.
So in the initial stage ऐसा भी हुआ होगा कि काफी ये चीज like जो पहली बार ऐसा होता है discouragement भी काफी होता होगा. How did you deal with that if that happened?
Discouragement actually I don't know. Discouragement नहीं होता. जब 10 भी select हो जाते हैं उस पे भी आपको बड़ा order आपकी company को मिल रहा है तो discouragement किस बात का? Be happy with whatever you're having. Okay. Instead of never look into the empty glass. Always look into the filler one. That's how it is.
Wow.
Just see whatever you have. Just don't look for whatever you don't have. Just work for the one which you want, which is left over. You need to work on towards that. Right? It's not like नहीं जो नहीं मिला उसी को सोचते रहेंगे तो कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे. जो मिला है उसको उसकी खुशी करो.
So one thing I have taken from this is कि you need firstly though you need that fashion sense. You need optimism. You need to be very optimistic, and you
need to be right.
And you always have to see the brighter side.
Always. कोई भी career हो, कोई हर किसी को always need to look into the brighter side. That's what in my early one of the interview I said. There was a very good line which I said, when a bird flies, she's never afraid of what if I fall?
Hmm.
Because she knows how to fly, and that's the only mantra. That's on the line I live, right? मेरे को अगर fourth runner up भी मैं UMB में आई तो I'm so far happy. At least I could be there. At least I could manage to be in the top 5. That's the bigger achievement for me. I don't see कि मैं उसमें first runner up या second runner या Mrs. India में, ठीक है, that's my capability. ठीक है, now I need to work towards it कि मुझे और क्या क्या learn करना है to be on the upper side instead of just I'm happy कि मैं एटलीस्ट टॉप 5 में तो आई ना. आई तो सेलिब्रेटेड लाइक एनीथिंग कि मुझे टॉप 5 में आना इज आल्सो बिगेस्ट थिंग बिकॉज इतने सारे when we gave the interview, the first round happened for the UMB. The very first round happened in this Ahmedabad ka jo auditions हुए थे. There were around 70 people. I am maybe more than that. उसमें से भी I guess 3 or 4 got selected only. So I am happy that I was one of them. मेरे लिए तो उतना भी achievement था. Even I told my parents before leaving for the pageant, I just told कि what if मतलब मैं नहीं भी हो सकता है मैं ना भी जीतूँ, ये मत सोचना भाई गई तो बन के आई, ये मत सोचना. तो just think on the other side also. They're like कि तू उसमें तू top 70, वहाँ पे भी they were around 66 people. Total contestant was 66. So they were like you are a part of top 66. That is also an achievement for us, and that also we are proud of you. That's how I want it, and that's how I think my family is really supportive. They're like top 66 में आना is also a biggest thing, and उसके ऊपर moreover top 55 like top 5 में आना is the सोने पे सुहागा. You say no, so that's how.
Wow, I guess this field teaches you a lot about optimism.
Yeah, every field teaches a lot of optimism. Like you have to be no matter what. Otherwise, so you will be lost. You will be, if you'll think always about failure, you will be getting into more darker side. You will not be able to work. That is something which should not happen. You need to enjoy and celebrate each and every small to smallest achievement of yours.
Wow. That's to all my listeners, I like to say कि ये जो इतना सा जो till now the conversation that we have done, till now the conversation that we have had, I would like for all of you to just go through it once again because बहुत ही अच्छी सीख है कि like we have to like always try and try again because like I connected with you on that fact क्योंकि एक time था when I was just getting into the speaking stuff and I was not performing very well. Like बहुत speech competitions होते थे, बहुत speaking competitions होते थे. I was always like I was not getting selected, not getting recognized, not getting those prizes and stuff. बहुत हारा मैं basically, बहुत बार हारा. But eventually I tried and overall मेरे को पता नहीं चल रहा था, in the background my skills were improving, people started liking it and slowly and steadily I started getting recognized and third, second, first ऐसे करते करते at last it's on a level which is appreciated by everyone, I can say. So yes. Also now if you have, what was that one learning, like आपने अपने career के बारे में इतना अभी बताया, there must be someone who would be your mentor, who would have taught you something throughout your career, throughout your fashion designing career. कुछ उनकी एक सीख जो आपको याद हो या फिर अपने करियर से कोई ऐसी एक सीख जो आपको आज तक याद हो और जो आप शेयर कर सको आज, ऐसी कोई सीख है?
ओके, बहुत पुरानी बात है.
ओके.
एक बार see I was really when I was working like a fashion designer in my early stage, so there was my boss sitting here. There was a lady, right? So they asked me, Manisha, something happened, some office politics happened that time, and I'm like, okay, I want to quit. I don't want to stay here. And I was so much attached, and they were so much attached to me. It was like a family for me, and for them also, I was like a family. So they were like, तुम्हें जाना है, ठीक है, we will not stop you. But always remember, the people like you are finding here, you'll find it everywhere. It has been already 4 years for me over working there. ठीक है, 4 साल में तो you become a family, right? So it was like तुम्हें, if you want to leave the company just because of XYZ politics, it's up to you. I will not stop you. But you remember, you will find this kind of people everywhere. So you need to handle things as per your capability, and you need to start learning things and give it back to them their own way. You cannot just take a, अच्छा उन्होंने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया तो ठीक है, मैं पीछे हट जाती हूँ, मैं जा रही हूँ, मेरे को करने का ही नहीं है. Never have that attitude, because that kind of people you're going to get everywhere. Only you need to do. You need to give a reply to them in their own language, then only they will stop. And you have to, keep working and showing. अपना काम इतना अच्छा करते जाओ कि वो कोई आपको कुछ बोलने वाला ही ना बचे. You just, if you're getting anything bad from anyone, you work more harder. So that your work should speak more than anybody else can speak about you. That is the major learning I got from my boss, or my ex-bosses. So that was something, when from till now, if somebody says something to me, I say okay to them. I never reply to them like that. I say okay, and I'm like, okay, let me work more harder now in my own field. Let me work, let me get more collabs. उनका मुंह अपने आप बंद होना चाहिए. लोगों का मुंह अपने आप बंद होना चाहिए. I should, you cannot reply to anybody. You just need to work more harder just to give a reply to them. Okay, you are just talking, I'm just working. Wow. You keep talking, I'll keep working. क्योंकि उनका जितना, लोग आपको जितना बोलेंगे, आपको उनसे encouragement लेना चाहिए, instead of getting, demotivate. अरे उसने मुझे ऐसे कह दिया, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. That's how I learned. That's what I learned, and that's what I applicable in my life.
This very much applies to Instagram influencers and to all the content creators as well. आज के date में, as you said, so much hate is received by everyone.
So much. So it's like everywhere. मतलब हर जगह यही है. तो it's you just need to concentrate more harder towards your work.
Wow, that's a very strong message. I really have to admit that. And yes, when you were saying this, I remembered this one story that I was reading from a book called Design Thinking, Reimagining Design Thinking. The name of the author was Kevin something. I'm not very much like, the surname is something hard to pronounce, so मैं pronounce गलत ना कर दूं, इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा उससे avoid कर रहा हूँ, नहीं तो all the book lovers would be not very happy with me. So yes, so उसमें भी like ऐसी something similar happened. Like he was, because he was black, he was discriminated a lot. एंड उसकी वजह से उनको अपने वर्क प्लेस पे काफी ज्यादा मतलब वो झेलना पड़ा. प्लस he was into, if I'm not wrong, he was into finance और मैनेजमेंट स्टफ. वो पहले कॉलेज उन्होंने डिग्री अपनी डिजाइनिंग में ली भी नहीं थी. बाद में he got his interest, then he went for designing, then he went to Nike and IDEO, and then he did his work and stuff, and then he opened his own firm. It's a very interesting story. कहीं ना, and इसमें ये एक चीज थी कि उन्होंने अपने बस बोला कि whenever I felt discouraged, all I did was work harder. That's what I do.
If I'm getting discouragement from anybody, I just go to gym, or maybe I just work towards my, और कैसे reels कैसे बनाऊं, और कैसे content create करूं, give a thought to it, instead of just thinking, अरे यार उसने ऐसे बोला, उसने ऐसा क्यों बोला, forget it, let it be, let them be talking. People will, आप अच्छा करोगे तो ही बोलेंगे. Always remember, people will always talk about you whenever you do good. That's what I think.
Wow. Okay, that's a lot. I got to learn a lot, because a new student only, kind of मैं like as a student only I'm learning from you कि हाँ ये सब होता है, and it's very new for me. So I'm very much fascinated by all these experiences and all these observations that you have had in your career. So yes, now moving on, now we have talked significantly about fashion designing. Now moving on to the modeling part, your modeling journey.
The major one.
Yes. So if you had to, like, now, since you are now so experienced, if you had to say, if I have to ask you this, then according to you, what would be a very good starting point for someone who is getting into modeling? Like अगर कोई एकदम शुरुआती स्टेज में है, उसके लिए एक अच्छा स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट क्या होगा?
Okay, अच्छा starting point. I don't know about that maybe, but what I did, I can say.
Okay.
Okay, so when I thought of getting into modeling into this, so I just hired a photographer. I did my shoot with my own money.
Okay.
कि मेरा मुझे I wanted to check myself initially कि whether am I looking good on camera, am I able to do things well, am I open enough with camera, let me be camera friendly instead of just going to the brand and just asking them give me work. Instead of that, just check yourself first. That's what I do. I always check कि whether I am capable enough or not, because inside you know better कि आपने कैसा किया. आपको खुद को ऊपर अच्छा सेटिस्फाइड लग रहा है, then only you know people, you get to know about it, right? So I just did my thing on my own with my own money. I just did one Indian, one Western and one formal look shoot initially. सबसे पहले मैंने ऐसे किया, and then I made my own bio, my own thing, portfolio sort of thing, right? And then I started sending it towards many agencies or many brands. Okay, chalo, let's do collaboration. It will be free. Initially, I did for free. That I'm saying very openly. People tell me, why do you do free? So that's what I'm just telling. Okay, so I did it for, okay, just give me a chance. I'll do free for you, free of cost. Because obviously I wanted to, showcase myself to world. Okay, I also exist. How will people get to know? Why will they pay me when they know कि भाई इसने तो कुछ भी नहीं किया है, तो why will they pay me?
Okay.
Right? So I just did some free collabs, I guess. Yeah, 3 to 4 collabs I did for free initially. And then I started like, okay, yeah, now I'm just asking you to pay minimum amount. Let it be like जितना भी उनका बजट है, उनके बजट के हिसाब से you start. And then gradually, you if I'm working with you, the next 4 people after you will get to know कि अच्छा she is doing for him, तो हम भी उसको approach कर सकते हैं, other brands, so they get to know, and you also get to know more about yourself कि आपने कितना अच्छा किया, how more you can explore yourself, your poses, how refined it can be. So that's how I started, and I guess for the people who are starting into this modeling, who want to become a model, they need to maybe they need to go with some good agencies. They need to get their portfolio with the first thing, which I feel could be the best one. So portfolio shoot कराने का, and then send it to the agencies, connect to the agencies who are into all this, who hire models and all. So that's how it is, I think.
What do you think about the competition that is in this like industry? Like कितना competitive है ये modeling industry?
बहुत ज़्यादा, अहमदाबाद में बहुत ज़्यादा है, in fact,
Okay.
बहुत ज़्यादा. Actually, it is like full of competition, full.
अच्छा. And are models very like जो आपके competitors are they friendly to each other or they are very competitive?
Yeah,
कि
I
हाँ.
guess everybody is friendly to each other, at least when they meet.
Okay.
Everybody is friendly, yeah.
Okay, wow. So it's like, and something if you have learned about modeling industry which is not very much known, because ये तो चलिए एक like people are having this perspective कि modeling industry बहुत ज़्यादा like competitive है, उस पे बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत थोड़ा सा what we can say, it is not very pleasant, it's very tough, it's not वैसा.
I think people, I'm sorry, but it's like, I think, in fact, पहले मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगता था कि क्या ये बस कैमरे के सामने जाके poses, you need to be friendly with the camera, poses तो करने हैं, you can do, anybody can do, I can also do. But when I actually started doing it, it is so far difficult.
Okay.
It is really the angle, this smile, you have to make this smile, intense smile, full smile, this and that, and it's like a lot. Poses, shaping, everything. It's like a lot. It is really tough. It is not easy.
It sounds like a lot, I'll be honest.
It is really tough. Matlab, it takes for one shoot only, you take 3 hours, you keep standing.
My God.
I mean, on the heels. it's like when I was in my UMB, it's like we need to be in our heels, and throughout the day, it was like 5 inches heels. You need to stand on your throughout. Like it is very difficult. No
Wow.
matter, it seems to be very blingy and very attractive, but there is a lot of hard work behind that. Lot of hard work.
Wow. Now I want to ask about this, that is about UWB pageant.
Yeah.
So in a nutshell, can you like walk through us to this whole process of like this whole journey of yours, like from audition stage to the final winning point? कैसा था वो journey, उसके बारे में आप बता सकते हो?
जर्नी बहुत अच्छा रहा. मतलब आई ऑलवेज थैंक्स टू माई लकी स्टार्स कि मेरे दिमाग में ये आया और मैंने इसके टूवर्ड्स अपना स्टेप लिया, अपना परस्यू किया इसको. थैंक गॉड आई डिड इट. अ बिग थैंक गॉड आई डिड इट एक्चुअली. मतलब it was a transformation. The time I entered and then the time I stepped out, they were like this, I'm going like this and I'm going like this and I'm coming back like this. It was a total transformation.
Wow.
Like upside down. They were like amazing, amazing and amazing. The time we did audition, I didn't know कि मैं select भी होंगी कि नहीं, because there was a question answer round as well. And I was not much good into answering. I mean, I'm doing I wasn't good that time. Okay, and then it was all of a sudden they asked me 3 questions. I don't know what I replied, but I just did whatever came to my mind that time. And then one day, one good day in the morning, I got a call. Okay, you have been selected. I'm like, let me just okay. Inhale the fact that I have been selected. And then yeah, it was amazing. They were like they took for good 2 months. They did this online training where the mentor did the Zoom call training. I mean, for the walk, for the talk, for the kind of poses, like everything. And then what to eat, all about dietary thing, everything what comes to make you a proper queen, they did, right? And then there was a 5-day training, on ground training in Agra, this Mughal palace. And then 5 दिन कैसे बीते हमें नहीं पता, दिन और रात कहाँ थे हमें नहीं पता, we don't know. It was like, okay, we got a proper schedule that this time will be this class, this time will be this class and everything. They did all the choreography about the walk, about the dance performances, about the, they actually on like Zoom call पे training हुई थी, but then, physical training is very important. So we did we got to know how to walk, watch. I guess मजा आ गया. In short,
Wow.
इतना बड़ा grand stage. There were all the good celebs, like Arjun Kapoor was there, Sara Ali Khan was there, Manushree Chiller was there. I mean, all the good celebs were there. Manushree was in the jury, and then she only asked me the question in my last final round में जो top 5 में जो questionnaire होता है, उसमें she only asked me the question. It was like a dream. Actually, it was, we see so many contests happening on Star Plus, on XYZ, TV televisions पे हम देखते हैं कि ये वाला हो रहा है, contest हो रहा है. We just witness them like एक audience की तरह घर बैठ के. But being on that stage, that is something बहुत कम लोग उतना सोचते भी हैं कि हमें उस स्टेज पे जाना है. And then living the reality, for me, it was like mind-blowing.
Wow. Sounds like an amazing experience.
It was an amazing experience.
Wow.
Really.
And what was throughout this whole journey, what was the best part? सबसे best moment क्या था? When you were on stage, when you were seeing the celebs, what was the best moment?
Okay, so for me, I should tell you one thing कि जब हमारा top 5 का selection हो गया था, and then when I was there, like I say 5 we were standing, okay, top 5 कौन है, जब मेरा नाम अनाउंस हुआ तो I could see my parents how happy they were.
Wow.
And that was the best moment. The best moment. My husband was like, wow, ऐसे लगा कि पता नहीं उसी को बुला लिया शायद स्टेज पे. He was that happy कि भाई चलो मैं ही पहुंच गया स्टेज पे.
Wow, that's
And that was the best thing, because when you see your family is happy for you, that is the achievement.
that's so lovely. That's so good to hear. And yes, this so many things there are. It's like full of, you know, like a full roller coaster of journey, starting from just one audition to going to that
Yeah.
grand stage.
I never thought while giving audition that I'll be on this grand stage, but it was like a reality for me, and I was like, wow, मजा आ गया.
Wow, that's amazing. Also, like you also mentioned about your family, your
Yeah.
husband, and your 5-year-old kid. So, as a model, how do you, you know, like differentiate between your like professional life and personal life? आप उन दोनों को अलग कैसे रखते हो? Because I'm damn sure it would be very tough to manage both of them. So, आप क्या करते हो to make sure कि despite of this, you are optimistic and you are giving your best everywhere?
Yes, so I am very punctual.
Okay.
No matter what, I try to be everywhere on time, and I just plan my day
Okay.
fully, always. Like what time I need to do what. That is my first thing where I am capable enough to manage things. My son, like if I'm shooting, I make sure that I'm shooting in the morning. Like till 12:30, I need to be free. 12:30 हो गया, चलो max to max 12:45, 12:50 and I'm done. उसके आगे नहीं होना चाहिए, because then I have to pick my son from the school.
Okay.
It's like कि okay, तो प्लान कर, सुबह से मैं अपना शुरू, हाउस हेल्प है तो घर पे कुछ खास काम करने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, but then managing son is also a full time job.
True,
Husband
true.
can manage on his own, but for a child you need to be always on point and on time, because their classes, their things are very much particular, right? So that's how I plan my day fully. मैं सुबह उठते से पूरा अपने माइंड में कैलकुलेट कर लेती हूँ कि मुझे आज जाना है, what time I need to be there, what time I need to exit, when I need to do what time I'll be going to gym today, everything. So planning is really important, and that's what I wake up early in the morning, and first thing in the morning I do is, you know, planning my day.
For your like as a mother, what's like it's something that I have as a question for you. That is कि as a mother, how do you want your kid to see you? Like as a role model, you want to be to him. So आप क्या चाहते हो कि like वो आपको कैसे एज ए रोल मॉडल देखे? लाइक आपसे वो आप उसमें अपने अंदर अपनी कौन सी क्वालिटीज आप चाहते हो कि आपके बच्चे में भी वो चीज हो कि लाइक हाँ, लाइक वन यू सेड इज पंक्चुअलिटी.
हाँ, आई रियली वांट हिम. इवन मेरे घर में मेरे दोस्त बोलते हैं कि तेरे घर में आर्मी रूल चलता है. If you have invited people at 5, they have to reach at 5. And
Yeah.
I always mention, when I'm hosting a party, I always mention 5 to 9. 9 o'clock pack up.
Wow.
You cannot stay back after 9. 9 ka 9:30 हो सकता है, but it cannot be 10 o'clock. So punctuality is the major thing, major thing. I always want my son to adapt it. And he's, I think वो उस माहौल में बढ़ रहा है कि वो by default उसके अंदर आ ही जाएगा. You know, अपब्रिंगिंग ही ऐसी है कि बिल्कुल टाइम टू टाइम चीजें हो रही हैं, तो फिर वो उसको हो ही जाएगा by default, right? And secondly, I just want him to be himself, कि उसको जो करना है वो करे. I don't want to interrupt, I don't want to get influenced from me or from anybody else. Just do whatever he likes. I mean, me and my husband will be supportive towards whatever career, whatever subjects. अभी तो बहुत छोटा है to think about this. I mean, it's up to him. We are not going to interrupt his personal thing कि आपको ऐसे करना चाहिए, वैसे करना. Use your own brain. And that's what I did in my life, and that's what my husband did in his life. That's what we want him to. Failure भी होगा तो अपने mind से लिया हुए decisions पे failure होगा, तो you will not be more guilty. You will be like, ठीक है, then you need to know how to recover the baggage, and how you move forward towards your life. So just take your own decisions and just move.
Wow. And yes, this is, I guess, this is a very good learning. And I hope if someday your son sees this, then he gets to know about it, because yes, it's amazing. It's a great thing to know, because I as a son want to know कि like ये कैसे, like how is a mother's thinking towards their kid, कि उनका life में क्या role होना चाहिए उनके बच्चे के लिए, कि like I know that I asked this question to my mom as well, कि आप मेरे लिए as a, if you want to present yourself as a role model to me, तो आप क्या चाहते हैं कि मैं आपसे क्या आपकी क्वालिटीज दूं, आपसे किस तरह से मैं आपसे इंस्पायर हूं. दिस क्वेश्चन आई आस्क्ड टू माय मॉम. शी सेड कि हाँ, डेफिनेटली वन थिंग दैट शी सेड टू मी क्लियरली वाज, जो भी हो, बाकी हर किसी की कमजोरियां होती है, हर किसी की ताकतें होती है, एंड आई वांट वन थिंग फ्रॉम यू, दैट इज ऑनेस्टी, कि तुम हमेशा जो भी करो बहुत ही
Just
ऑनेस्टी
give
के
your
साथ करो.
100% and
हाँ,
dedication.
100% भी करो, और लेट्स से तुम कभी 100% नहीं भी दिए, सो बी दैट ऑनेस्ट कि तुमसे ओन अप कर
Yeah,
सको कि
हाँ,
हाँ
right.
मैंने नहीं दिया
नहीं
100%.
दिया,
दैट वाज वन थिंग दैट माय मॉम टोल्ड मी, एंड मेरे को उसी से ये इंस्पिरेशन आई कि ये क्वेश्चन मैं लाइक आज मैं आपसे भी पूछना चाहता हूँ,
पूछूंगा.
एंड मैं ये थोड़ा एक डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव भी इस पे लेना चाहूँगा.
हाँ.
एंड या आई एम दैट.
I want him to be punctual like the way we are. I really want him to be. And then, yeah, other things, obviously, that's what we are going to learn, honest hona chahiye and everything. But yeah, some things are really has to be matlab, in your blood.
Wow. And yes, now the next thing that I want to know from you is, like, as a model, you have to do a lot of photo shoots, you have to do a
Yeah.
lot of shoots and everything. So, for someone who is just getting into the, like modeling thing, and let's say they have having their very first shoot,
Yeah.
first photo shoot, पहली बार जा रहे हैं. So, if they have to prepare, if you have to give them a checklist, कि हाँ, you have to ensure कि ये सब चीजें should be prepared by you from your side, it should be prepared, like, एक तो I'm assuming punctuality की timing आपको पूरा idea होना
बहुत
चाहिए.
important है.
Apart from that, what would be that checklist like, कि आप क्या क्या चीजें उसको बोलोगे कि ये कर लो, ये चीजें ध्यान में रखो, and what things you shouldn't be doing. There's like do's and don't list, if you have to.
Okay, so see, trust me, and that's what I do. I don't know about, I could be wrong as well, but that's what I do. Whenever I go for a shoot, I give my 100% in terms of designer or the choreographer or the stylist. They know their job very well, and they know how they want to present you, and they know the brand also. So they know how they want to present you as a brand person, right? Because you're wearing their brand, right? So the stylist and the designer know very well. So you should not interrupt their styling. You should not question their styling, right? And that is really disrespectful as well towards the stylist or the designer. If you say no, I wanted to make it like this, no, don't do that. That's what I do. I could be wrong. I'm telling you very clearly. You might can give your idea later, or you can after the one shoot you can ask, okay, we can do little this and then let's make a shoot now also and let's see what comes out well. Could be done, but please never question the stylist and the designer. It's really not happening thing. For me, it's a big no thing, right? If they're saying, okay, with this outfit, we want the hairstyle to be like this. If they're telling the hairstylist to make the hairstyle something particularly like this, so just let them do. Not like, no, I want to keep my hair open. No, I want to keep my hair. My face doesn't look like nice on this. Because they know things better. They want to showcase things their own way. So that's what I do. I never question about things. Whatever you want to do, you do.
Okay.
You know your job very well. And second thing, checklist in terms of what I do, I keep my food with me. जो intervals में मैं अपना proper अपने आप को nourish कर सकूं, खा सकूं. Keep hydrated yourself. Keep good. Keep listening good music too. If it is a shoot, then you have to really what do you say? You need to be really in your mood, right? So listen music, which makes your mood more better. and just give your best.
Wow. Interesting. And I guess again, मैं इस पे ज़्यादा I can't share a lot of
Yeah.
my opinion because again no
Even
idea.
if this is something which varies person to person.
Okay.
It's not like everybody does the same. That's what I do, and that's what I'm saying. If it is a jewelry shoot, I ask them what they want me to wear. If they want it to be in Indian, if they want to be it in Western, or they want a proper, off-shoulder tube top with the shoot because they do not want to enhance other outfit or something. Just want to do the jewelry shoot. So that's what I do. I just ask them what they want instead of just अपना ही दिमाग चलाने का नहीं मैं तो मतलब इस टाइप से.
Okay, so basically, like the creative director or the one who is like like doing the shoot.
Yeah, stylists are good enough to do their job, and they always hire stylists. Why they are there? They are there for this thing only, right? So let them do.
So it's like I can say this key you should be respecting the vision of the stylist that he or
Yeah,
she is
of
having.
course. You should be respecting towards all the team.
Okay.
उनकी पर्सपेक्ट उनकी जो भी उनका पर्सपेक्टिव है टुवर्ड्स द शूट द एंगल्स एंड एवरीथिंग एंड यू आर देयर टू शो योर फेस राइट तो जस्ट डू दैट वे यू कैन टेल देम लेटर कि इसको हम इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन आस्क द फोटोग्राफर रिक्वेस्ट देम कि एक बार इस तरीके से भी करके देख लो शूट ये चीज ऐसे अच्छी लग रही है या मुझे ऐसे अच्छी लग रही है बट या फर्स्ट लेट देम डू.
Okay. मैं एकदम से थोड़ा
intense हो गया.
intense means it's like kind of listening to this I was मैं एकदम like because I was very much indulged into this because again new topic it is and I'm very much like this is one knack that I'm having that is कि जब भी कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है I totally get invested into it so it kind of gets me zoned out कि हाँ okay now what's next so that is the thing but also like now we talked about the entire process and everything from ranging from checklist and from checklist to the whole process की कैसे start करना है किधर how you have to move towards in the industry. Now the next thing I want to know and that is something that our listeners would also be looking forward to know is that at what point can a model expect to actually like get earnings or get being paid or getting compensated like किस पॉइंट से एक मॉडल कमाना स्टार्ट कर सकता है अर्निंग कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकता है क्या करके आई वांट टू नो अबाउट दैट.
ओके तो मैं अपना ही बता सकती हूँ आई डोंट नो व्हाट अदर मेनी पीपल बिकॉज़ मेनी पीपल स्टार्ट अर्निंग फ्रॉम डे वन.
Okay.
And that's not what I did. I did my own shoot, portfolio shoot. I did my own, which you need to pay from your own pocket, right? And then you need to ask brands to collaborate with you, right? If they agree to pay you, good luck. If they don't, usually they don't. For the beginners, for the freshers, so they're like कि बहुत होते हैं कि हमारे पास तो हम पे करेंगे तो obviously if I am at the brand if I want to pay I'll pay to the known face, right? Why would I pay for the unknown face, right? So it's my responsibility to make my face known.
Okay.
And then I did shoots for collabs for free. For first 4 collabs I did for free. And that's what I planned for myself. Okay, first 4 shoots I'll be doing for free. Next 4 shoots I'll be doing for the payment in terms of okay you pay for the photographer whatever the photographer is charging. I am not going to charge anything. And next 4 after this 8 to 10 shoots I'll be like okay I want the minimal amount whatever comes in your budget or it can be a barter. It can be a barter deal as well. You give me the stuff I'll shoot and I'll give you the outcome. And then matlab yeah like after 5 to 6 months you can start earning if your content is good if you're getting good your insight is getting better on Instagram or you're getting good review the brand itself is asking you to do this do so yeah if the brand is asking you okay I'm giving you this stuff you do shoot then you can ask money you can charge but if you are asking the brand I want so फिर तो you need to do it in barter only. Or you can ask also if you are good known and millions of followers are there.
Okay, so what is like more important in this field, or recognition or experience? Like, let's say I have done only, let's say, 5 photo shoots, but after the fifth photo shoot, I was, like I got recognized very well. It did very well.
I think recognition,
Recognition.
because see, no matter how shoots you do, you're doing for the brands only, right? How will people get to know? Gradually they'll get to know. The more people will get to know, the more famous you will be becoming.
Hmm.
Though recognition is really important,
Okay.
and you might get it in short span of time, like 6 months में भी आपको बहुत अच्छा recognition मिल सकता है if you're getting into more and more good brands, right? एक्सपीरियंस से क्या आपको हो सकता है आपको 1 साल तक भी अगर आपको रिकॉग्नाइजेशन नहीं मिल रहा है तो फिर देयर इज समथिंग लैकिंग.
Okay. And for you, like, in your journey, at what point you, like, after how many photo shoots you got that recognition? कि हाँ, after like how many photo shoots you did जिसके बाद आपको लोग recognize करने लगे and it worked well.
Okay, so मेरा with God grace, it's been almost like अभी वन नवरात्रि गया पीछे, उससे पहले वाले नवरात्रि पे I started. Post नवरात्रि I started. And it's been a year plus 3-4 months. 1.5 साल बोल सकते हैं. And now I'm here. So recognition मिला ही है, I guess.
So
It's like 1.5 year till now. Less than 1.5, but still, yeah, we can consider.
and we really hope, the whole team hopes कि ऐसे ही आपको recognition मिलते रहे,
Yes,
and
finger crossed.
yes,
Let's
touch
move
wood. It's
forward.
yes, but I guess it's very fascinating for, for people, for students like me, for podcasters like me, and for individuals like me. It's very fascinating to learn so many new things, because today I know one thing, that today when I'll go home, I'll be satisfied with this one fact कि आज सिर्फ एक नहीं, बहुत एक पूरा ही लाइक नया फील्ड आज मैंने एक्सप्लोर किया, मैंने सीखा, एंड दैट टू फ्रॉम समवन हु इज एक्सपीरियंस. सो
Yeah.
दिस one chance I'm really thankful for. And yes, there are so many things that I want to know from you now, but I guess we'll have to respect time now, and we'll have to be wrapping up. So yes, we're almost at the end of this episode. So before, like wrapping up, before ending this session, we did that one exercise, like
I need to write.
you need to write. Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll just, so you can take your time, not an issue.
Just 2 minutes.
That's not an issue. That's not an issue. And I'll be till that, for all the listeners, this is something for you. That is, if you're watching this, if you're watching our podcast, and if you're watching this episode, I'll do request all of you to please do subscribe to our channel, do like our podcasts and our videos, because our team, me and our team, we all are putting in a lot of efforts. Our guests are putting in a lot of efforts to give you the best, and to make sure that with every episode you learn something. That's our vision, and that's our mission, to make to have every episode where no one feels left out and everyone gets to learn something. So we'll be more encouraged if we'll be able to, like, get more support of yours. So yes. So with that being said, I'm just thankful for all of you for giving us this platform, and we want your support in order to, do much more better. So yeah.
First of all, I would like to say you're a really good learner.
Thanks so much.
You are into so much, like okay, I need to learn this from you, and the expression you gave on the term of wow, like actually आपने पूरा उसको inhale कर लिया उस fact को. That's what I get to see. Okay, and second thing, you are really deeply in the conversation and really enthused to know more. Okay, what comes next, what will come next, that is something which is very much visible on your face, right? And I'm the other thing, I'm really inspired at the age of 20, you said.
Yes.
You're doing this job. Wow.
Thank
That's
you
all.
so much. Thank you so much.
And I'm really inspired on the term that you are really dedicated towards your work. That is something visibly, you have done so many podcasts before, and you even remember the things. Okay, this is something I got to know about that person. This is something new I'm learning from you. I'm listening you. So this shows your dedication towards your work, that how deeply rooted you are with your career or with your podcast, and that's what I really loved about it.
Thank you so much. That means a lot, and it's not just me; it's my team as well who has helped me,
Yeah, your
like
team,
grow.
I like really, you guys are amazing.
They have helped me in a lot of ways, like behind the cameras. It's like it's a lot of their support which has helped me, like improve myself, make myself
If I
better.
am not wrong, they all are below 20 or 20.
Yes, 20,
19, my
19,
goodness.
20. Yes.
Even I started at the age of 18. I told you my first salary I got on 7th of June, which was when I turned 18. Right? So that's inspiring, and that's what, it's really good. When you start early in your age, you go really far. That's what I feel.
Now, like from what I got to know about you from this conversation is that you're like throughout this conversation there was this one thing that I was getting, that was a very peaceful vibration. You're having a very calm nature, I have
Yeah.
seen, and it's very, it kind of made the whole conversation engaging in a way, in its own unique way, like not too fast, not too slow, just the right pace, and with so much calm and so much focus you were like speaking, that really, I was very much impressed with that fact, and I was so much into the conversation.
Thank you.
Also having a very, like, you're with that calmness only, you're also having that very peaceful and soothing personality and tone that you add to your conversations, that
Thank
that is visible in your conversation, and I'm sure it is also visible in your work, like you are having that, I'm assuming you're having that patience, that
Yeah.
कि
Patience
एकदम
is really important.
And I can see that because like throughout the conversation you were like so like you were so much into the conversation, you were so patiently listening and so patient, and you were responding accordingly. That's something that really was, it was really one of the best points of the this whole conversation. I really like that.
Thank you.
And you are very optimistic, very optimistic throughout your career. Throughout your story, I learned the importance of optimism. From your story, I learned the importance of optimism in so many new ways. And yes, you're also having that very, like you're very a person who's always having a plan, a very planned
Plan.
person and
Really
very
plan.
focused towards your goal. That was my observation. Overall, an amazing personality, if I have to say. So
Thank you.
thank you so much for this conversation.
Thank
Before
you.
going, any message for our listeners or them?
Okay, so for the listener, I can only say, no matter like what age you are, just go towards your dream. I mean, you just need to, whatever it is, just do small steps, take small steps, and keep doing something. Just don't, sit idle. Just do something.
That's a great message. And yes, with that, we are at the end of this episode. Thank you so much, Manisha
Thank you
ma'am,
so much.
for
Thank
coming
you.
up on this podcast. And yes, thank you to our Bawsome listeners for tuning into this episode. And yes, do check out Mazuki perfumes. They look good, feel good, and smell good. And yes, they're amazing. And with that, we are at the end of this episode. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. This is your host and host, Apurja, signing off. I'll meet you guys in the next episode. Till that, see you all. Bye bye.